Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you where to go to take your first test. So you are going to click these triple bars after you log into ALEKS, and you'll go down to Assignments, and you will click on Test 1. You'll type in the password, which will be available to you in Canvas. Hit Start. Hit Start Knowledge Check. The knowledge check will be 30 questions. So, you'll answer the question, hit Submit, go on to the next question, so on and so on. Once you finish, you will hit the triple bars, go to Gradebook, and your grade will show up here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks.